What's up, guys? So this is a Zurich ZR15 OBD2 scanner model. I'll be using this to reset the inspection service info on my Volkswagen Passat 2015. And what normally happens with this Volkswagen's vehicle is that they make it hard to get off that or to remove that notification of inspection. So at times you have to go to the dealership for them to remove that. Yeah, as you can see right there on the dashboard. So I'm going to insert this and see what goes on. So you have to insert this under the dashboard, and it's normally under the steering wheel, which is approximately right there. All right, there we go. So the machine boots up. So I'm going to turn my vehicle on so that you can see that there is we have this inspect or inspection notification there, and we are going to reset it using this device. Okay, so the first thing you do is press that button right there, the M, and it gives you the main menu. And the second option, we have service reset. Let's scroll to that, enter. So there are a couple of service resets you can do here. As you can see on the list, you're going to go for the oil reset, since I recently changed the oil in this vehicle. And normally you don't have to do the reset before you change the oil or service your vehicle, so take note of that. So oil reset, and it says the vehicle specifications right there. Go ahead and press yes. This reset oil maintenance, yes. So that was successful, and I believe it should be off on the dashboard too, as you can see. Alright guys, so there's a lot you can do with this machine, but for now let's just keep it that way. Thank you.